The National Criminal Justice Association represents the state agencies that are responsible for strategic planning, policy development, implementation, and management of state and federal resources for criminal justice across the entire system. We work with Congress and the administration on issues of importance to state criminal justice, as well as working with state, local, and tribal practitioners and policymakers. We work very hard to get information out to our members and to the community at large about evidence-based practices and data-driven decision-making for criminal justice. So students can access that information on our website, ncja.org, as well as another website that we've set up called the National Center for Justice Planning, which is ncjp.org. So they have ready access to information about all aspects of programs and policies in criminal and juvenile justice. Media has reported on the unprecedented drop in overall crime rates, which is true, and it's something that we need to sustain and celebrate at this point. But still a lot of pockets of crime, particularly violent crime, in the country, and so that we can't lose sight of those pockets of crime. In addition, the nature of crime is changing. There's more electronic-based kind of crime, cyber crime, identity theft, online pornography, all that kind of thing that needs increased attention. I think that it's not going to change that much in terms of how cases are investigated and prosecuted, because that's all set by statute. I think that, again, it's going to become more technology focused. Technology is going to play a bigger role not only in commission of crime, but in the prevention of crime. I think that criminal justice and law enforcement agencies will use more and more technology and social media for the prevention and investigation of crime as well. I'm a big fan of internships. We have interns here at NCJA, and I think we give them a very substantive kind of experience to introduce them not only to some of the academic or the subject matter, but also the community and the networks. So I think that internships can provide students a kind of a real-world perspective on criminal justice. And of course, I would be remiss if I didn't recommend that students become members of NCJA. Well, they'll have access to our members-only part of their website as well. I would suggest, and it goes along with what I've said before, is that students should become involved outside the classroom as well. Any kind of volunteer work or internship, as I said, is very beneficial and really goes to making sure that the student is in the right field, is really committed to what the field is requiring, as well as it gives the criminal justice practitioners an opportunity to interact with students who bring a different perspective to the work.